Hello, how are you? Hope you're all good. I thought I'll just share some information with you about fitness, some of the things that I practice. I'll share one of the things that from the many that I practice. When we talk about fitness, it's not only about your physical fitness where you have to look skinny, you have to look sexy, you have to look beautiful, but it's also about your mental fitness and your emotional fitness as well. So, one of the things that I do is while cooking. So, what happens is if you are not feeling too good, if you are emotionally down, or if you are thinking negative about someone, something, or about yourself, or about one of your family members, if you're thinking that, or you're emotionally down and you're cooking at the same time, that vibration actually transfers to the food that you're cooking. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna eat that again. So you're gonna take that back in, and also you're gonna give it to your family members as well. So it's very, very important to have a neutral mind, or to think positive thoughts while you're cooking. So what I usually do is I play some mantras, positive affirmations. I just repeat that in my head. So I sing um, positive songs. I normally sing mantras. So yeah. So while cooking, if some negative thoughts comes into my mind, it depends on. Um, it totally depends on it. It just, I don't know. It just comes to your mind, right? So if any negative thoughts comes to my mind, what I do is uh, I'm conscious about it. As soon as I see myself thinking stupid thoughts, I quickly stop myself and I replace that thought with positive thoughts. Okay? Or if I'm feeling down, I try and hum or sing, or not let my emotions um, take over me, and cook. Okay, so now I've come to a point, we hardly eat takeaways because we don't know who has, I mean, like, someone else has obviously cooked the food. We don't know where how their mental status is. So now I've come to a point, if someone is really, really, really depressed and they've cooked my food, if we're eating takeaways, I come home and I don't feel too good. And I remember one time we went to a family lunch, and the food that was cooked, when I came home, I was just so down. I was crying. I just went just I just went down, and I knew that it was the food, because otherwise I try and keep myself in a very neutral and a positive mind. So hardly anything like that gets me. Um, so yeah, so next time when we went there, I gave this advice about how to think positive and keep your emotions balanced while cooking. And she said, yeah, I usually cry a lot when I cook because I'm just so depressed. So see, so I just knew. I didn't tell her that, but yeah, so when you're cooking, make sure, because the food is eaten by your whole family, and as mothers, as women, we're supposed to feed our family good, positive, vibrational food. So it's not about eating healthy food, but it's the subtle part of it as well. um, so it has to be higher vibrational food as well, with your thoughts and your emotions. Okay, so one of the things that I do, I thought I'll just share. Thank you.